checking out the ProR here for a little engine noise. Are you ready? Woo. Not your grandma's side by side, eh? Holy moly. Wow. A quick little walkie around. I cannot wait till mine arrives, but built like a tank, this thing. Everything big, everything juicy. I got the alternator covered up pretty good there. A lot of people wondered about that. One-piece frame now. These are way bigger in person than they look on the video. A lot of things are on this. Yeah, these look way bigger in person. Huge. Then the drive shaft, and it's supposed to be just a monster too. Yeah, this is the craziness right here. Look at this. No video or pictures, even online, that I've seen even do justice really for it, but just the sway bars are totally race style now. Yeah, I mean, that shows you how big these things are. It's crazy. And the shocks feed through. Even the axles are bigger too, but it's crazy. She's a beauty. I'm glad I got a two-seater there coming though after watching Nick Sous flying around on the Freedom there. Holy moly!
That's what you're gonna need.
It's exactly the first thing I want to do when I get it. I want to go replicate that video.
Good luck. You have to feel it out first.
Yeah, one time. Yeah, it's a pretty crazy one. It's just crazy when I like how many videos I've seen of it and online and YouTube, and then you know it's bigger, you see it, they explain it, and then you come and see it in front of your own eyes, and you're just like, look at the size of
So
everything. It's
much
just
bigger.
pretty insane. Like those shocks got huge. It's awesome.
Hey, just
look at that. You got your oil filter right there, dipsticks right there, your starter, your alternator. You tapped into a whole bunch of power. Look at the size of everything here. Full adjustments for everything. Nice and easy to get it to clean this back end here too. The motor like that. Then this diff is probably a monster too. Oh, that's totally